What's going on, traders? Man, you probably thought I died and fell off this planet. But I haven't. I haven't really seen a lot to be trading, but it looks like the momentum's coming back, at least for my style, anyhow. Um, I traded one stock yesterday, and I held that overnight, and then I closed out my position today. I'll show you. That was on tcco. And then today I shorted CEI. So let's get into the charts if I still remember how to do this. So I'm going to pull up, let's see here. This is my trades from yesterday on tcco. So I seen the stock gapping up huge. I looked at the history of it, and the history pretty much showed me that the stock closes weak. So it's pretty patient, I thought. My first entry on the stock looks like. Let me pull my get my P&L so I don't get this all messed up. So my first entry was at 771, and I only took 100 shares on this because I figured this wasn't the top, and I just kind of building in a position. And then right up here at looks like 1230, 1238, I took another 100 shares and so I was 200 shares short. And then this big crack came. And then it popped up, and I added right here another 300 shares. And then right here, ended up having to cover because what happened is I was waiting for the chart to tell me when to cover. So when it did, it popped up, and I believe I covered at let's see here, 740. So as soon as I've seen that momentum come back in, I'll show you on the other chart. I ended up covering my position, and then I waited for a retest, and then when it pulled back and retested again, I got short again at 873. Now this trade was by far one of my, not profit wise, but my best short out of my whole trading career. So I got short at 873, and then I held this overnight. So I'll get rid of this so I can show you. So here's where I got short, 873. I held it overnight, and then I ended up covering my position right here at it's like 6. Hang on a second. Obviously, I'm not prepared. I covered where's today's P&L? Let's see here. 664 is where I covered, and should have held it longer, but by far this is the best short I've had. From 873 to 674. I mean, if I'd had full size, like I normally trade with 500 to 1,000 shares, that's full size for me. This would have been a phenomenal trade. So all in all, I thought that trade from yesterday was a pretty good trade. So on that day, this was my P&L for that day coming into the close. So 439. So, and then today, obviously the first one I took, I covered this short, and then I jumped in CEI. So what I seen this was doing is I had tcco on the back of my mind. Seen this spike up and have a huge pullback. So I seen it spike up again and have another pullback. And then when it spiked up again and had another pullback, I seen that this turned into support, and I figured it was way too damn early for this stock to crash. I figured this is going to be just like tcco was yesterday. So I took 2 trades on this stock today. So my first trade was, this thing will move over. So the first trade I took was right here at 268. I'll have to blow this up. I want to zoom in for you so you can see what I'm seeing. So my first position here, I took, let's see, I believe it was 500 shares. Let me just look. 269. Oh, 600 shares. So I seen this pullback, so I took 600 shares, and then we popped up and started making higher lows. I just covered and got out of the way. The reason why is because we're still on the front side of the move. So I'm like, all right, I'll have to wait. So I seen it come up to 310. It had a huge pullback, consolidated, and then right here when it had another huge pullback, I'm like, all right, now we're on the backside of the move. The stock is known for closing weak, so this is my time to short. So I got short again at 261 with 600 shares, and then I held all the way down. I covered my position at 203 right down here. So this I thought was a really good trade. I was really happy with it. I was really patient with it. I figured once this kicked in, it was the backside. But I didn't want to be shorting up here because I remembered what tcco did. It was just trapping shorts until that backside kicked in. So that was my thoughts on CEI. And today's P&L. Let's see here. This is today's P&L. So you can see where I got short and everything. A little better picture. So today I ended up with 428, and then yesterday was 439. So all in all, 2 back-to-back green days. Yeah. Not much more to say. Sorry I've been making videos. I haven't really seen much to be trading. So I've just been trying to really take it patient. And yeah. Let's just look at CEI. So this is CEI. When this thing gaps up, it pretty much never closes strong. So that's what I was anticipating. So yeah, that was my trades. That was my trades from today. Wow, got all the way down to 160s. Crazy. But yeah, that'll pretty much wrap up today. So until next time, traders. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and peace out.